It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have some nail mail from Nail Lover Store. And I have another silicone hand, y'all. So when they send these hands, the boxes are always like pretty beat up, but the hands are never damaged, so that's a good thing. So they send the hands in these really nice bags, so I always keep these and store the hands in there afterwards. But this is what the hand looks like. We have a wrist here, so that's a little different from the other hands that I got from them. And I went in with these tips here. I put these in here backwards, okay? So I just put it in here like that, and it kind of gives you that nail bed look. So it is November, and I am starting to do the random nail challenges on my channel this month, and I'm going to be using this hand for some of the videos as well as my hand for some of the videos. So I wanted to make sure that I went ahead and introduced you all, okay? And give me some names in the comments, some names that I can name my hands. I have so many of these hands now. Will this be the last one that I get? I don't know, but I have so many of them. So put some names in the comments so we can start naming them, so that when they make their guest appearances, you all will know who she is, okay? But this is the newest one. I like how the fingers are long, kind of like that very first hand that I got, but this one seems to be a little more sturdy. And I am going to make a playlist of all of my silicone hand videos, because every time I get one, I kind of, unbox it, show you me using it and all that. So I'm going to make a playlist so that you all will be able to just go in one place so you can see how I set it up, how I use my peel base for the hands, and all of that good stuff. So for my random nail challenges, they are going to be on Wednesday, okay? So make sure that you come back on Wednesday for the first one. I am so excited. My editing is not as good as C's tutorials, but I'm going to do my best so that we can get these random nail challenges popping, okay? And for some of them, I'm going to wear on myself. I did a pop-off method on my nails not too long ago, but I might try to keep my nails short. I don't really know what I want to do with my nails, y'all, to be honest. So I don't know. This is kind of growing out, so I am going to have to put something on my nails soon. So I may do one of the random nail challenges on my nails, and of course I'm going to do my nails for my actual birthday. So that random nail challenge will be on my nails. But if my nails are done, then we'll be using her, okay? I don't want to keep, peeling stuff off of my nails. I really don't want to mess my nails up. So that's why we invest in practice hands, right? So she is going to be the new member of the Itz Sirap family. So say hello. Say hello. Also this month, I will start doing my comment shout outs, okay? So I'm going to put some comments on the screen from my last video. Thank you all for commenting. Thank you for just giving your input. I love to read your comments. So for the rest of the month and hopefully on forward we're going to add some comment shout outs because I really want to make you all feel special. All right, because I love y'all, so I want to make y'all feel special and give y'all some shout outs. Okay, so a little sneak peek for the first random challenge video. We're going to be getting into these Model 1s acrylics. Oh, I done ripped the thing, y'all. So they sent me 12 beautiful colors. Okay, so we're gonna, I already added all of these onto a wheel and everything, so I'm super excited about swatching these and randomly seeing what the wheel is going to give us. Okay, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the Wheel-tastic Wednesdays. Okay, for my birthday we are doing different things that I like or different things that I do for the themes, like math, hair, makeup, nails, music, Betty Boop, food, because I like to eat, y'all. But we're gonna do different things like that I like to do and things like that. Those are gonna be the themes. Okay, so if you guys have any other themes that you want me to add on a wheel, I can do a subscribers theme wheel. So put your suggestions in the comments so I can create a wheel for y'all, okay, so that I can pick some of the things that y'all want to see. It can be different trends, like a trendy nail design that you want to see me try, anything like that. Go ahead and put all of that in the comments so we can get that set up. I have been researching these random nail challenges for a while. I saw a lot of people with like the 2 note cards, and you know, the person in front of them was picking the cards. I've been seeing a lot of people do things different ways. I even saw somebody do like a gumball machine where they had like different design options balled up in the gumball machine and all that kind of stuff. And then when I saw the way that C's Tutorials does hers, I fell in love with it, and that's what I want to bring over to Itz Sirap. Okay, so if you're not sure what I'm talking about, go check her channel out. She does some random nail challenge videos on her channel and on her Instagram, where I feel like it gives an opportunity to be more creative, because when a client comes in, you don't already know what they want. You know, a lot of the times they tell you, you know, I want these colors, I want it to be like this design or whatever, and you have to kind of come up with that on the spot. So that's why I want to push myself to do the challenges, so that I can just improve my skills and just, you know, get where I want to be as a nail tech. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're going to be doing, and I'm super excited about it. And make sure you guys leave your comments and suggestions in the bar, make sure y'all leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing my new hand. Definitely come back to the next video so you can see me use it. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.